Hello, everyone. So the next instruction I'm going to show you is about your reading response. So it's very similar to the rules for spelling. So you're going to go to classwork. You're going to go to your reading response. Okay. You can view the assignment or you can press it. Now, this is an activity, or I should say an assignment that you don't turn in until I tell you. Okay. So you're not going to turn it in until I tell you. So you're going to get your copy of it. It makes a copy for you. It will say your name up at the top. Okay, I'm actually going to add a slide where you can add pictures of your books if you'd like. So it's directions. So for every journal entry, choose a reading response from the choice board. Follow the directions underneath the slide. Complete the assignment in the slides or click on the link and complete the activity. Watch link for directions. That's this video. And you can always keep a reading log in your reading copybook. So as you'll see, this is your reading response choice board. So sometimes it's going to tell you to go and, type right in here for sequence it. And other times it's going to have you go to a link just like your spelling menu activity. So it will give you the directions. This one says use Vocaroo to record yourself retelling what happened in the story or chapter you read. So you can actually voice record it. And then what you can do is you can save it or send it to me and it will give you that option. You can upload it to here. Okay, and then you again put the X. Now remember, the directions are always underneath. So say you're going to do the I predict. Make sure that you follow the directions at the very end. Okay, so we'll add a page where you can talk about what book you're reading. And I hope you guys really enjoy this. I want you to always feel like you can write in your reading response journals all the time. Something that I want to go back to, so remember, you do not turn it in unless I tell you. Say you decide to do an activity and you can't figure out how to get it onto the slide. You don't have to email it to me and you don't have to share it with me. What you can do is you can actually add this. So say you wanted to add maybe something you made on your Google Drive, or you wanted to add a link or a file or docs or whatever you want to add, you can actually add it to the assignment and it will send it to me right away. That way we don't get a million emails and we're really, really organized, okay? So remember, you don't turn it in, but you can always add, and that goes for any assignment. But it will save it as you work on it. Great job, everyone.